Hi guys, it's Buhat Day and today mapapagod ako ng very light since mababawasan yung electrolytes sa aking katawan during workout. Pero alam niyo ba, nito lang dito sa TikTok, I just found the electrolyte powder drink na perfect sa mga taong tulad ko na active sa gym and to any sports and other physical work. So, may i-recommend ako sa inyo from Energy Echo, available in two different flavors that provide you in different types of energy and benefits to your body. This one is grapefruit flavor na siguradong magugustuhan ninyo. From 199 pesos to 119 pesos na lang. Affordable, di ba? Imagine, sa isang box ito may lamang 10 powerful sachet plus ang handy lang niyang dalhin anytime and anywhere. Since may active lifestyle tayo, kailangan natin to para ma-replenish yung nawalang electrolytes sa katawan that can cause into fatigue, cramps, or panghihina dahil sa mga ginawa natin. Proven and tested ko na to. So, paano? Try mo na? Go to my yellow basket and sabay-sabay tayong maging healthy and pretty sa ating busy lifestyle. Bye everyone!